celebrate Deion Sanders' enduring influence on sports and sneaker culture with the upcoming release of the Nike Air Diamond Turf Prototype 92 Black, set for fall 2025. This bold retro brings back one of the most legendary trainer silhouettes, now updated with modern touches and nostalgic nods. Dressed in a black nubuck and mesh upper, the shoe features contrasting white swooshes and gold midfoot underlays. A white Nike midfoot strap, crimson inner lining, and primetime tongue logo elevate the design with high-energy details. Inspired by early samples of the original Diamond Turf, this prototype version offers refined paneling while maintaining its mid-cut shape and signature Max Air heel unit. Merging gridiron grit with baseball flair, this silhouette embodies Deion's two-sport legacy. Priced at $155, the Nike Air Diamond Turf Prototype 92 Black will be available on Nike.com and at select retailers in fall 2025.